Welcome back, my Alpha Squad, and we're back again with it is AI, but it's just cell to singularity. Evolution never ends. Let's activate the click boost and Mesozoic Valley. Let's see what's going on there. Dinosaur, yeah, I've been gone quite a long time. And collect. We have a new dinosaur, Ankylosaurus. Or in other words, the break the crap out of your legs dinosaur. His tail is like a hammer. Ankylosaurus was a bulky, armored herbivore from the late Cretaceous period with a large club tail that could shatter predators' bones. So like I said, don't mess with this thing, it's gonna break your legs. Got a geode. Got 24 mutagen. Predatory bones for the Ornithia. Continue, okay. Ornithia, here you are, rank up. Clicking by itself, not clicking by itself. Okay, we have 50 of those, 30 of those, 20 of those, 20 of those. 4. Stangio, claim. Automate and speed up the Autosaur. And need to go back to him. And open another geode. Is that it? Okay. So let's go back to our primary simulation and see what we can get up to here. 10. Dawn of the dinosaurs, sometimes known as the age of reptiles and occurring from 252 to 66 million years ago. The Mesozoic era began with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the largest documented mass extinction in Earth's history, separated into 3 major periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The Mesozoic saw many new developments in geology, climate, and evolution, including the dominance and eventual extinction of the dinosaurs. Massive comet. No, shooting star. 66 million years ago, at the close of the Mesozoic era, 3/4 of all life on Earth suddenly died. Scientists today believe that this mass extinction event was caused by the impact of a gargantuan asteroid, which ushered in a devastating ecological collapse. But this disaster paved the way for the evolution of new species and led to mammals becoming dominant. Namely, us, the new virus of the planet. And let's go into the evolutionary tree. Glitch. Required rank 3 Mesozoic Valley. Unknown identified. Simulation cannot visualize object. Okay. Well, there's that. We can buy the tetrapods. Tetrapod. What a beautiful valley. Wait, where are those tetrapods now? There's a rabbit, but we don't have rabbits. Weird. Okay, let's check your information. Tetrapod. The original colonizers, unlike the Brits, tetrapods were the first water dwellers to develop legs and amphibious breathing and to crawl onto dry land. Too many ants. Okay, let's get you up to 100. 50. 50. Should have probably spaced that out more. Sex cells. Perfect reaction. DNA strands come together to form tight coils to create a chromosome. Humans have 23 pairs for a total of 46 chromosomes. Yeah, reproduction and all that crap. Sorry. Share and share alike. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells share 4 characteristics: DNA, RNA, a cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. Okay. Pump up the volume. Eukaryotic cells are the typical, much larger than those of prokaryotes, having a volume of around 10,000 times greater than that of the prokaryotic cell. Okay, let's see the jellyfish. Well hydrated. Jellyfish are 95% water, so not much left for brains then. Flatworms can extend their mouths into their prey and use them like a vacuum cleaner to suck out their prey's insides. Imagine having that on a predatory level, able to attack a human. That's some scary stuff right there. Fish have been on Earth for more than 450 million years. And as Dory always says, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Whale of a tail. Many of the largest sea-dwelling animals are mammals, not fish, including whales and dolphins. Sharks, however, are fish. Icy iguanas, called chameleons. Reptiles are found on every continent except Antarctica. I wonder why. You can unlock new stuff. The polyp. Polyp, a non-mobile sea-dwelling creature consisting of a tube with a mouth surrounded by tentacles. Some examples include coral and sea anemones. Don't know what it is, but let's buy it anyway. Eggshell. Probably up here. Okay, eggshell. A self-contained life support system filled with amniotic fluid that enables reproduction to be possible outside of wet environments. Legs. From fins came legs, which would carry the arrival of life on land. What's next? Cartilaginous. The cartilaginous skeletons. Some aquatic animals, such as sharks and rays, have skeletons made of cartilage instead of bone. Oh, cartilage. Oh, my pronunciation again this time is really terrible. This means that they are more durable, flexible, and buoyant. What's cheapest? Fins. The protolimb. Fins would eventually develop into hind legs that would help mammals, reptiles, birds, and amphibians travel on land. Probably should have unlocked that first. Replaceable teeth. Imagine if we had more than 2 sets of teeth. Like we have our baby teeth and we have our adult teeth. But imagine we were like sharks that have teeth that grow in many rows at a time and are replaced whenever one breaks or falls out. Some sharks lose 30,000 teeth or more in their lifetimes. Imagine having 30,000 teeth in your mouth. Someone breaks your tooth or punches it out, never mind, grow a new one. Next is quadrupedalism. Joints became stronger over time, allowing animals to stand farther from the ground and travel greater distances. And I unlocked the wrong thing. Ear. A refined version of an organism's ability to sense vibrations in the air. Ears allows creatures to hear when a potential predator is sneaking up on them. We have a lot of stuff we need to unlock. And back to the dinosaurs, Mesozoic Valley. I know today's episode seems a bit rushed, but I don't want it to be as long as all the others usually are. So I'm trying to keep it not too fast paced, but fast enough. It's balanced at buying everything out. Open geode. Well, Archosaurs, Ornithischias, Stegosauruses, and Ankylosauruses. You have been great, and we all bid you adieu. That was bright. There's 200. Now it keeps track of the amount of creatures we killed. Well, I'm officially a serial killer. Welcome back, Archosaur. Tell me the tooth. One of the most important evolutions that was pioneered by the Archosaur family was the development of teeth that were set in sockets. This made their teeth much more sturdier and less likely to be torn out or become loose during feeding. Oh, thank you. Evolution knows what it's doing. If I only knew how much I would kill all the animals. So sad. Let's let this load a bit. Go back to our primary simulation. We have not enough. Turtle. Originally emerged during the Middle Jurassic period, turtles are one of the oldest groups of living reptiles. They are known for their distinctive shells. Apparently we have something else going on. This evolutionary tree is really interesting. Wait a minute. Why does the research bottle show 1? It is not 1 we have enough money to unlock. That seems suspicious if you ask me. Well, only thing we can do then is tap away. As you guys probably guessed, I don't have the auto clicker on this time. Not because I feel like it's cheating, it's just because I forgot. Don't judge me in the comments. We'll get to 3.87 billion in a jiffy. If you hear the clicking in my mic, I do apologize. And DNA replication. Probably here at the bottom. DNA replication, the basis for biological inheritance. DNA replication produces identical copies of existing DNA so that they can be passed on from one organism to its offspring. I feel like that's important. Cold-blooded. I'll show you who's cold-blooded. I just killed 220 dinosaurs. Doesn't sound like a lot if you think about the population that it probably was in real life. Cold-blooded animals rely on external heat sources to control their body temperature. This allows them to have conservative metabolisms and save energy, but can also make them vulnerable to overheating or freezing. Namely reptiles, which I guess would later branch into turtles. Okay, that's cool. Any more achievements? No, apparently not. Nothing more here we can do. Anyone that 5? Yeah, not sure how much more the amino acids be able to unlock. So let's go back to Mesozoic Valley and see what's going on there. I think we have collected quite a few. And we can buy Stegosauruses. Need to collect 55 Orcosauruses and collect 55 Ornithias. Okay. Well, there's 50. I don't want to boost. $1,000 every second. Well, with how fast the requirements go, like 59 seconds is an entire minute, so it's quite a lot. If only I had my auto clicker. That's great. I'll just. That's the first time I've heard that. Come on, we want to see a new dinosaur. Yes, we do. I'll be back in a sec. I want to turn on my auto clicker. Just give me like a minute or two. There we go. Fill up the screen so you can see how much we have. Open Geo. And we can upgrade, rank up to level 1. And again. Now we can unlock Triceratops. Okay, we're all in agreement. Triceratops needs to be unlocked this episode of CSENE. Cell to Singularity. Evolution never ends. Auto-clicker activate. 12,000 a second, that's quite a lot. We're at not enough. Well, if I upgrade these, it will go faster. We can do this. We want the Triceratops this episode. Another flying pterodactyl. And now we just wait for a few. I think it would take minutes, I'm not sure. And probably go back and auto-click the main simulation, or primary simulation as the computer called it. Should I buy ankylosaurus or should I just keep on auto-clicking until I reach 2.1. The questions we ask ourselves. You know what? Let's buy. Let's click. Hopefully it goes faster. I'm guessing the clicking sound might be a bit annoying, especially since the music, the in-game music had to be silenced because the music is apparently copyrighted, so I cannot use it in my videos. But we just need one more. Probably gonna wait a minute for it to get to 2.1 at this rate. And we unlock the Triceratops. Let's see, Triceratops, a herbivore from the late Cretaceous period. The Triceratops had 3 defensive horns on its face and a large bony frill. Well, the horns we can relate to rhinos, so that's a good thing. Imagine if the Triceratops was still alive. Also probably be hunted down for its horns. Which is really unfair. Rhinos just want to, live, be alive. How much would it go? Control R, C, and +1. Now we have 10. Collect stegosaurus, collect ankylosaurus, collect ornithia. My pronunciations are terrible, I know. Collect ornithischias. I'm so gonna get roasted for that in the comments, but it's fine. Main simulation, or primary simulation. Offline earnings. I technically wasn't offline, I was just over in the other part of the show. And we can unlock the reptiles. Modern reptiles can trace their roots back to the dinosaurs. While they are a shadow of their former selves, they still carry some of their ancient ancestors' traits. Life created the reptiles. We did quite a few things. We unlocked quite a few new things. So I think that's it for this episode. It's one of the calmer ones, I know, but as long as you guys still like the series, then I will finish until we reach the Singularity. And if you're tired of seeing the same things over and over again, then tell me and I can skip ahead, like do stuff off camera for a bit. Or if you want to see everything, just stick with it. And I'll see you. If you're not subscribed already, why not? My channel is great. It will continue to grow, and you could be part of the first 100 subscribers. Well, at the current stage. And if you liked the video, remember to leave a like, and see you guys next week.